Lalbina, dia da Emosi Tuqiri, ni namatakula nanronga, vasu yaroi matuku. Yes, it's a huge honor. I think I cried last night talking to my family. So yeah, it's good. A lot is obviously done in the past, and obviously the cousins and other cousins and Namani and some of the boys. But yeah, it's time for me to make my own name and continue the, I guess, legacy. Yes, I've backed myself since not getting picked in the first time. I was really dedicated into my just planning for the year ahead. So went home back to Brisbane, but I just set my goals and I didn't stop training. But I still have a lot to work on and improve. So yeah, it's really grateful and honoured, and yeah, just looking forward to learning off the best in the world and picking the brains of all the senior players and the guys who are playing abroad. If the opportunity or chance gets given, yeah, happily take it with both hands, but no real expectations. I'm just gonna put my head down and do me, and if the opportunity comes, it comes.